Hey everybody, it's Tom with your mental fitness technique of the week, Sun Stretch Breath. This technique combines both breathing and stretching, and I thought I'd come out in my backyard to add a little outdoors into this one too. If you'll do this with me, if you go ahead and put your hands in a prayer position at your chest, then what we're going to do is we're going to breathe in and we're going to put our hands all the way up, and then on the exhale, we'll make a big circle and return to this position. So go ahead and do this with me now. Ready to begin? Breathe in, stretch your hands all the way up, and now on the exhale, all the way make a giant circle just like the sun, and come back to your chest in prayer position. Let's do it one more time. Breathing in, exhaling, and back to prayer position. So try that once or twice each and every day this week, and maybe for a little bit of extra bonus points, go outside as I did as well. Well, that's your mental fitness technique of the week, Sun Stretch Breath.
If you found this valuable and would like more resiliency building tips, as well as additional mindfulness, meditation, or visualization exercises, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our new content. See you next week.